A cold water rinse will be a game changer for your beard. You should always shower with warm water to get the cleaning properties you need to wash your hair, your beard, your body, but it will improve your beard health and styling if you end the last few seconds with cold water in a rinse. It'll wake you up, it'll make you feel amazing, but above all, it's going to help your beard. Don't worry, hold on, I will explain why. What? Let's first off establish what it is going to do for your beard. First, it is going to seal in the cuticles of your hair. That is going to be important. It is going to help your styling. It will strengthen the actual hairs and you're going to experience less shedding. All those things are really key to having a healthy and presentable beard. One thing it is not going to do is add shine to your beard. There is a myth or folklore out there that finishing with a cold wash will add shine to your hair and beard, and that's been proven to be false. Actually, sometimes it's even less shiny than if you went with warm or hot water, and for me, that is okay. I'm not the guy that wants my beard glistening in the sun and looking like I'm using too much product. That cold water finish is going to be perfect for the appearance and health of my beard. That's what it is going to do. Why? Why does this happen? Other than sealing the cuticles, there's a very easy explanation for the health benefits you receive from ending your shower with a cold water rinse. Ending with a cold water rinse is like hypothermia for your beard on a small scale, and I will explain. When you get hypothermic, if you're in a cold water situation for too long, the blood that is normally circulating throughout your body does not go out to the outer extremities, it stays close to your heart. Why? Because that's vital. It needs to protect your vitals and not everything else. That's why people start to turn blue and different colors when they're hypothermic, because there's no blood getting there. Blood gives you color. Now that is what's going to happen with your beard. And you might ask, why would I want that? Why would I want no blood going to the skin underneath my beard? And that is important. You don't actually get blood flow through your hair because it's just dead tissue outside of your body, but you do need blood flow at the surface on the skin. And when you are in that hypothermic situation where the blood flow is away from your face, away from your skin because you have that cold water, the second you step out of that shower into the warmer room, the blood comes rushing back to your skin underneath your beard. When do you want blood flow? When you're grooming. When you are combing out your beard and you're getting oil and products to your beard, you want blood flow. The opposite happens when you go with a hot or warm shower. When you get out, all that blood is going through your skin, and now you're going to feel colder because you were just in that hot shower. That blood is going to go away from your skin and have the opposite effect that you would like. So think about that in the hypothermic situation. You're cold in the shower, there's no blood getting to where it needs to be. The second you step out of there, it's like a rush to the skin, and it's going to do amazing, healthy things for your hair if you finish with that. So that is just a little bit of why this works with a practical example. Conclusion and final thoughts. Just having a couple seconds at the end of your shower with some cold water running through your beard and getting to your skin is going to make a noticeable difference in the health and style of your beard. 100% worth it. I take a shower every morning before work and getting my day started, and I love what it does for my beard. But I simply love the fact of finishing that shower with cold water, of getting me waking up and getting me going for the day. And I know it's helping. It was a massive game changer when I did that. I remember the first couple times I did the cold water rinse, I put in products. I thought they were the greatest products of all time. Then I figured out, oh, these are good products, but it really was the cold water rinse that made my styling so much better. So I hope my explanation and the science and the reasoning behind it made sense to you guys. If you have any questions, please shoot them down below and I'll be happy to answer them and give you my best answer that I possibly can. So question to leave you guys with, are you on board with this cold water rinse yet? Give me your experiences with it. If you're not, explain why. I'm curious to hear your thoughts because I have seen a major change. I hear from so many of you since I've mentioned the cold water rinse, why it's been so great in their life. I wanted to give a video really breaking down the reasons because a lot of people like to have that information, and I love giving that. That's why I do research. That's why I do these videos. At my heart, I'm an educator, and I hope that helped you guys. So I look forward to hearing your experiences with the cold water rinse. And if you haven't tried it out, guys, give it a shot and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. So thank you guys. Stay educated, stay bearded, and always try to improve your life in every single aspect. Thank you.